The Xbox Series S is a compact, budget-friendly powerhouse designed to deliver next-generation gaming without breaking the bank. With a sleek, minimalist design that fits neatly into any setup, this console punches above its weight class, offering remarkable performance for its price point. Performance. Equipped with 10 gigabytes of RAM and the Velocity architecture, the Series S ensures faster load times, seamless gameplay, and impressive graphical fidelity. Although it's not quite as powerful as its big brother, the Xbox Series X, the Series S still supports up to 120 frames per second, offering smooth visuals and responsive gameplay for titles optimized for this console. While its 512GB SSD provides speedy storage, it might feel limiting for gamers with a large library, though external storage expansion options help mitigate this issue. Visuals and HDR. The Series S offers high dynamic range, HDR, enhancing the contrast and color depth for more vibrant and lifelike visuals. It's optimized for 1440p resolution, which is ideal for gamers who don't have a 4K display, but still want crisp, detailed graphics. That said, it does upscale to 4K for streaming and certain games, ensuring flexibility. Design and accessibility. The console's small form factor makes it one of the most portable gaming systems available, ideal for gamers with limited space. It includes a well-designed wireless controller with textured grips and a responsive D-pad, maintaining the ergonomic excellence Xbox is known for. The Xbox Series S is an excellent entry point into next-gen gaming for casual players and those prioritizing affordability. Its performance, design, and features make it a compelling choice, though gamers looking for native 4K or more storage might prefer the Series X.